Hello, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Jasmine McDonald. If you're new here, I post ballet and fitness related videos every single Tuesday, Thursday, and Sunday. And if you're also new here, you may as well hit subscribe. In today's video, I wanted to share with you guys some exercises that I've personally used throughout my dance career to help improve my extension. So let's go ahead and get started with a quick warm up in a double stay, 1 foot in front, 1 foot behind, and let's go from one side to the next. Nice and easy windshield wipers, just to warm up the hips a little bit. Let's go for 5, and we do 4, and we do 3, and let's go for 2, and last one. Beautiful, still warming up the hips, go into your elbows, just bring the right knee in and around for 10, 9, creating a circle, 8, 7, nice and quick, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and let's reverse 4, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Same thing with the knee extended. Make sure you have space for 5. I don't have space, hang on. 4, 3, 2, 1, and let's reverse. Keep that left hip down for 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Same thing with the left knee, with it bent. We do 10. Let's go for 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and we reverse for 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Same thing, knee extended, 4, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and let's reverse 4, 5, 4, 3, 2, keeping the hips down, and 1. Beautiful. Go ahead and prop yourself up. Shake out your arms if your shoulders get pretty stiff, and we're going to start in a butterfly with our heels lifted. Think of this as your attitude devant, and let's take our arms in first position, belly button to spine, roll the shoulders back, still in line with the hips and the spine. So our back is nice and lengthened as if we're just leaning back. Starting with our right side, lift your attitude devant as high as you can, keeping the heel presenting to the ceiling, and we're going to extend and draw little circles for 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Reverse for 10, 9, keep the turn out, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And let's do the same thing with the left, and we extend to the front, circles for 10, not moving the hips, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, keeping the turn out, 4, 3, 2, 1, and let's reverse for 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Let's do it again, lifting the right heel to the sky. Extend, we do circles for 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5. Keep lifting the leg, 4, 3, 2, 1. Reverse for 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Keep lifting it, same with the left. Lifting the heel and extend. We do 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Reverse for 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. And relax. You can take a stretch in a butterfly. Good. And then lay all the way down. One foot crossed in front. In fifth position, there should be a natural curve in your spine, but belly button to spine connection is there. Totally depends on the body too. For me, I'm always going to have a natural curve here. But let's take our arms to the side, rotate the legs without just squeezing the glutes and tucking under, because you can see what this does to my hips here. It overly contracts my glutes and it tucks my spine under, which we don't want when we're standing. We want to keep a nice neutral pelvis. So arms out to the side, let's do a retire. We draw our leg up to retire, and 2, present the heel, 3, just like a developpe, extend 5, 6, stay 7, 8. Let's do little pulses for 1, 2, 3, 4, lifting higher, enveloppe, toe to knee, slide it down. We do that 2 more times, lift it, 2, 3, rotate, 4, present the heel, 6, extend, 7, 8, we pulse for 1, 2, 3, 4, lift it higher, 6, and last time again, we do 1, 2, rotate, 3, 4, present the heel, 6, developpe, 7, stay here, 8, stay with me, we're gonna rotate towards our left side, go to a side extension, 2, and 3, and 4, bring it back, keep the leg lifted, and retire, slide it down. Let's switch sides. Same thing with the left leg. 6, 7, 8. We do retire. 2, nice and tall. 4, present the heel. 6, 7, 8. We pulse, lift the right hip. 2, 3, that's the supporting hip. 4, enveloppe. 6, slide 7, 8, again, retire. 2, 3, 4, present the heel. From the back of the leg, spinning the inner thigh. Pulse for 1, 2, 3, 4, enveloppe. 6, slide 7. Last time we do 1, 2, 3, 4, present the heel. 6, lift it 7, 8, and we flip to à la seconde. 3 and 4, keep the leg exactly where it is when you go to your back, enveloppe, and slide down. Good, give yourself a hug. And very last exercise, go ahead and roll up. And we've done this one before on this channel for sure. I know it's been a while, but let's go ahead and get started. Shoulders stacked on top of hips. We're just gonna lift the right leg up and over as if we have a block on the side. You can actually use a yoga block here as well. Pointed toes, lifting the leg, bring the shoulders back if you need to, and we tap it up and out for 10, 9, 8, keeping the hips steady, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Same with the left. We do 10, 9, we're keeping it parallel for this round, 8, 7, ooh, foot cramp, and 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Good, stretch it out for a second. And now we did the exact same thing with rotation. So rotate the legs from the top of the hips. You can point or flex the feet, totally up to you, but the heels are still facing the ceiling. And we do the same thing this time with rotation. Let's take the arms out to second. We do 10, 9, 8, I'm running out of space, 7, 6, 5, try to lift it as high as you can, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Same with the left. We do 10, 9, keeping the hips stable, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Beautiful. Go ahead, take a butterfly, stretch out the legs. I hope you guys enjoyed that video. Let me know in the comments down below what you want to see next. Have a great rest of your day. Stay safe, happy dancing, and until next time, bye now.